Hello guys, we'll be back again on our next video. As you know, we are there to update you every day, every single week, every single day. So guys, people are also facing such a problem on how Telegram code is becoming a problem on their logging in. So guys, let us start immediately on how we can overcome this problem. So guys, always go, if you have uninstalled Telegram, you go and uninstall it in settings here. So for us, we have uninstalled our Telegram. As you see, is not there. So you go on Play Store, then type in Telegram. So, and then install it. As you know, we wait a minute, we finish faster. So guys, those ones who haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and also share, such that we all keep ourselves intact and also informed. So guys, let us be waiting and we see what up next. Patience is a key to reach where we have to reach. So guys, it is installing faster. So guys, as you know, we want to overcome the code, or why we have to get a code SMS. So guys, we shall go. It is finishing. It's now installed. You can go direct and you tap open, or you go back. We see if it is installed. So where is it? It is there now. So go and tap in and we wait a minute. So start messaging. So let us go to the next level. So guys, always, as I told you, turn on the receive calls or other settings on Telegram by allowing it to be favorable for use. So let us tap you allow. As you tap in continue, then it will bring you allow. As long as you have a phone like mine, it does it automatically. So guys, you go to countries, then you go, for me, as I told you, my favorite one is UG or Uganda. I go there, I select my country, then I type in my phone number as it has been asked. So I put in my number. So it is done. I wait. So yes, continue, allow. So we wait for some seconds or a minute, but it may not reach minutes. Either they can send an email. So let us to tap in, we go for the email, or they will call. So it is there. So we go direct, we type in our code, which is this. Congratulations. So we type in, we fill in that is my this is how we go to congratulations, as you see. So guys, it has been, you are welcome on Telegram. So guys, I think at least this video makes sense to you. So guys, let us meet in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe those who have subscribed, thank you. Those who haven't subscribed, go and subscribe for the next coming good guideline videos. So guys, bye bye.